What's up, YouTube? And welcome to Knowledge Builds Wealth. Today's video, I am here to sound the alarm. So get your popcorn and your soda pop and listen carefully to what I have to say. Everyone, don't believe the hype on the positive market rallies that we are having, nor the end of the second quarter's findings. I do not believe a word that Cramer has to say, but he is starting to tell the truth because his lies are catching up with him. Allegedly, he stated that the market is currently soggy, meaning that there is not many buy or sell opportunities, and to look for pre-announcements in the coming weeks. Stocks will drop, ranging from 75 to 90%. Just follow the facts. Examine the early 2000 extended bear market. Examine the 2000 through 2009 bear market. And let's not forget the 2020 bear market. There will be a free fall, so don't believe the news articles. We all know where that gets us. The news article saying that there are good news in the stock market today. Currency will be devalued, meaning deliberate downward adjustment of a country's currency value. There are three reasons why countries devalue their currency. Number one, to boost exports. Number two, to shrink trade deficits. Number three, to reduce the debt burdens. The bottom line is, currency devaluation can be used by countries to achieve economic policies. Having a weaker currency relative to the rest of the world can help boost exports, shrink trade deficits, and reduce the cost of interest payments on its outstanding government debts. The U.S. has decided to create a digital money, which in return will create hyperinflation regardless of the interest of a good or service. There is no way that this can be stopped. We currently have credit cards to offset a current high price. Then we pay the credit cards on a monthly basis. And guess what? That would go up as well during this recession. You will see more layoffs in the banks, hedge firms, agencies, and even Wall Street. August is the month that I'm expecting to see a lot of downturns because there is too much global and within the U.S. that is starting to melt down. Too much going on for its crisis. I mean, look at China economy. Look at the Russia economy and the bond situation between the U.S. and Russia. The traditional way of picking a stock has deteriorated. You no longer look at what stock does, nor the price in the P/E ratio, and etc. This market has been inflated so much that none of that data matters. I'm going to basically give it to you straight. Expect to see these things during the recession that we are about to enter. You may lose your job as unemployment level starts to rise, and it will become much harder to find a job replacement since more people will be out of work. For the ones that will be keeping their jobs, don't expect it to be all lovely on your side either, because you all will experience some setbacks, such as cuts in your pay and your benefits, and there will be a struggle to negotiate future pay raises. Now, let's discuss the investments such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. You will lose money. You will reduce your savings and upset your plans for retirement. But check this out. That is not the worst part of it. If you can't pay your bills due to the job loss, you may face the prospect of losing your home and other properties. people. People that are running a business will lose sales, and they will more than likely be forced into bankruptcies. Don't expect much from the government during this time, because it will be hard to keep everyone afloat on a severe downturn. Now I will be discussing what you will encounter if you decide to ask for assistance from a lender. It won't be happening. This is largely due to the fact that more people are unable to pay their bills. So the lender will be tightening their standards on mortgage, car loans, and other financing. If you try to get anything on credit brand new, then the score will have to be in 700 and up. Or you can have a large sum of change to put up on it, a large down payment, shall I say. For the people that are saying, well, I planned ahead of this recession, so I will be fine. Even if you have planned ahead, it will be a frightening experience. Believe it. You may have planned ahead for you, but what about the ones that you care about? What about when they come to you and asking for help? Your plans just changed. The upside of this is that a recession, it doesn't last forever. But we need this to happen in order to get back on track. FYI, this is not financial advice. Please don't get caught up in the buy the rumor and sell the news on these stocks. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Take care.